Ever wondered if you could ditch the wallet and feast on those golden arches goodies using just your McDonald's app and a gift card? Let's find out. First, fire up your McDonald's app and make sure you're logged in. If you don't have the app, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play. Look for the Rewards and Deals option in the bottom menu. Tap on it. It is where the magic happens. This part is important before you can use a gift card. You need to make sure the items you plan to purchase have been added to your mobile order. Add your items to the order now. If you are all set, go back to your home screen and tap Order. Now you should be at the checkout page. Take a look at the order total. Scroll down to find the payment method and then click Add a payment method. Next, select gift card as your payment method. Enter the gift card number and any required PIN. The app will verify the card, and the gift card balance should be displayed, which is then ready for use. See how the gift card amount has been deducted from your order total. You might still owe a remaining balance. If only a partial payment was made using the gift card, you will now add another payment method for the rest of the amount. Tap Confirm Order and enjoy that McDonald's treat. Remember to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.